Good morning everyone, hope that you have an amazing day. It's Salim and today we're gonna go to the best rated bakery in Copenhagen and it is Juno's Bakery. Let's go. So we are now just a few meters from the best bakery in Copenhagen. Let's go and check out how it looks like. Oh, look at the queue outside the place. It's amazing. Look how many people are standing waiting in line. Look how people are standing in line waiting for their turn to visit the best bakery in Copenhagen. It's unbelievable. So I'm gonna have to stand in line too in order to wait and find out if it's worth it. Right now there are around 15 people standing in front of me waiting in line in order to visit the place. So it's gonna be interesting to find out how long time I'm gonna stand here. So far I've been waiting for around 5 minutes, which is okay. There are also people standing behind me waiting in line, so it must be worth it. So right now I am close to the entrance. I've been waiting for around 10 minutes and yeah, there are right now only 5 people in front of me. And of course, don't forget to wear the mask. It's mandatory if you go inside any place, any restaurant, any coffee shop. You need to be wearing a mask while you are standing. You can see everybody's wearing a mask. So what should I order if I go in there?
The cardamom bun. Absolutely.
Is it worth it?
100%.
So is there always so many people standing in there?
I'm also just visiting.
Okay.
But I've heard.
Yeah. Thank you. So the cardamom bun it is. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correct. Cardamom bun. Yeah. So right now we are inside the place, and it looks like this. It's actually not a really big place. It's quite small, but it's interesting how many people they have. Yeah, well, I was recommended the cardamom bun. Would you recommend it as well?
You should definitely try it if you haven't had it before.
Yeah, please. This one? Yeah, please. What does it have inside? I mean, all cardamom, butter? Or what?
Exactly. So it's a wheat bun with a lot of cardamom in the bun as well. And then cardamom butter.
Yeah.
And then it's topped up with a sugar, a cardamom sugar on top as well.
Okay, perfect. Well, I'm looking forward to try it.
Definitely have it.
Thank you. How much is that all?
So that'll be 25 per minute.
25.
Perfect.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you. Bye bye. So, just got my cardamom bun. And there are still, as you can see, people are still standing in line. So let's find out how the best cardamom bun in the best bakery in Copenhagen tastes like. Ta-da! Oh no, forgot napkin. It looked like this. So I'm gonna have my first bite. Let's see if it's worth it. It is really, really good. The dough is fluffy, and you can immediately taste the cardamom. And it doesn't have that much sugar. It's well sweety, but not too sweet. I could eat a couple of those. They are really, really yummy. The flavor of the cardamom, you just keep tasting it and tasting it and tasting it. It stays in your mouth, just circulating around your mouth. So, it's the good thing about this one is that the taste of the cardamom, it overcomes the sugar. So, it's actually very good. I don't want to take my last bite, as the good that it is, but I have to. It's definitely not gonna be my last time trying the cardamom bun. You are absolutely right. So here, that was a very good one. Thank you. Bye-bye. So, that was a great success. But the weird thing about this place that the place actually doesn't have any sign. There is nowhere where it says Juno's Bakery. As you can see, there is nothing on the wall. Nowhere where it says. But still, people find their way to try the best bakery in Copenhagen. Hey! It looks amazing. So how many years have you been doing this? You've been doing this for long?
For 6 months.
6 months? You are very good at it.
The people's better.
You're all good. So here all the magic happens. Here we have the production guys that are making the amazing cardamom bun and many other delicious things that I haven't tried yet, but I will try it next time I will come here. So that was the best bakery in Copenhagen with the best cardamom bun. It's really worth it. So that was it for this episode of the best rated bakery in Copenhagen. I hope that you enjoyed my video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Have a good one.